Sai Ram one and all. Today we shall begin a new lesson, that is the concert written by Shanta Rameshwar Rao. It's a real story. So before you read, there is a small picture there. Open your textbook, page number 85. A person who is singing, who is completely involved in the song. His face expresses his feelings. How interestingly he involved in singing. Now, A, can you identify the person in this picture? Who is that? That is Bhimsen Joshi. Correct? Then, look at the picture closely. How does it strike you? It impresses you so much. Can you describe his feelings from the expression on his face? So, it is homework for you. Do it. Express the feelings. See the picture, see the face and express. Okay? The feelings. Then what Walter Savage Landor said, music is God's gift to man. It's a God's gift. Everyone cannot have it, have the gift. Correct? Then the only art of heaven given to earth. The only art of earth we take to heaven. This is the statement of Walter Savage Landor. This is how Walter Savage Landor describes the gift of music to humankind. It's a God's gift. You may have your own way of looking at music. So, it differs from one mentality to another mentality, one person to another person. A music may give happiness to a person, but it may not give happiness to another person. So, it differs according to his interest. You may have your own way of looking at music. For instance, one of you may say, music is a source of imagination. While listening to the music, while enjoying the music, it creates imagination. You can imagine the picture. Imagery it is called. That picture comes to our mind. Correct? So it soothes the soul. It makes our mind happy. It relieves, it makes us relieve all the tension, all the worries. Unknowingly we clap. Unknowingly we enjoy. You forget everything. Is it not? Yeah. Now, reason for choice. Why you choose it? Music is a source of imagination. What is the reason? It gives us imagery. It makes us enjoy. It brings the natural picture before our eyes. Correct? Then, now see, you can fill the bubbles with your own choice or choices and complete the sentences also. Now see the bubbles. You can do it very easy. Music gives me what? Fill it. Music gives me happiness. Music gives me what? A cheerful mind. Correct? Then, now add two more. Music tells me what? A story. Music tells me the truth. Music tells me the beauty. Correct? These are the answers you can add. Then, next, music makes me what? Happy. Music makes me what? Cheerful. Music makes me what? Enjoy the nature. Correct? Then, next, for me, music is what? For me, music is my soul. For me, music is my backbone. For me, music is my what? Life. So, these are the words you can add. Make your own sentence. Why? Add that. Okay? Now, come to the next part. Compare the poem you have written with this poem. So now try to write a poem on music. It's homework for you. Do it. Compare the poem you have written with this poem. So there is a small poem, music. I hear the music. What is the difference between listen and hear? Do you know? Is there any difference between listen and hear? Yeah, there is a difference. Music is love. For me, music is love. It binds the two souls. Music is life. I cannot live without music. So why? Because music is life. See the figure of speech. What is the figure of speech? Music can tell a story. It tells a story. Music has a story. Music cheers, makes us very happy. But also brings memories. It brings all the memories of the past or the nature. Then, what is so special about music? When I listen to music, it takes me to another world. I forget myself. I forget what is there around us. Why? Because it is the influence of what? Music. Music is my passion. Passion means liking. Passion means strong desire to have, not fashion. Passion is different from fashion. So music is my fashion, my liking. Music soothes the soul. Soothes means comforts. Soothes means make cool. Then music can take away the pain. It removes the pain. We forget all the worries. We forget all the problems. Why? Because of the influence of music. Such an art is music. Then our life is music. Our life itself is a music. Our life is like a music simile. Our life is a music metaphor. Then music inspires me. It makes me. Correct? ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ತಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಾಡ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೇವೆ, ಕಾಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕುಣಿತದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಫ್ಲೋಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಮೀ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್. Do you hear music? Do you hear it? Come, dance with me tonight. Correct? This is the music. Very interesting. Now come to the point. Perhaps you would like to read a real life incident in which a boy's ambition was fulfilled at last. If so, read on. It's a given real story how the boy's desire was fulfilled by someone. Correct? This is the story. Now come to the concert, written by Shanta Rameshwar Rao. What is a concert? ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕಲ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಸಂಗೀತ ಕಚೇರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಎ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಂಗರ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸರ್ಟ್. See the first paragraph. One morning, in a small apartment in Bombay, a girl of about 16 looked up from the newspaper and said excitedly, Pandit Ravi Shankar is playing tomorrow at the Shanmuganand Auditorium. Shh, said her mother, pointing to the figure sleeping on the bed. You will wake him up. You know, he needs all the sleep and rest he can get. So one morning, real incident, remember. One morning, in a small apartment in Bombay. What is an apartment? What is an apartment? It's a simple meaning, flat. Correct? In a small apartment. What kind of apartment? Small apartment. So the parts of speech of the word small is adjective. It modifies the noun. which is the noun apartment. So, small apartment. In Bombay, this incident had happened in Bombay. What is incident? A girl of about, he did not know the correct, whether it is exact age. No. So, a girl of about 16 looked up. What is look up? While reading the newspaper, she looked up, that is find information. She found, she found an information. What is that? From the newspaper. The newspaper gave her information about what? From the newspaper, and said that news excited her. Said how? Excitedly. Excited meaning is feeling or showing happiness and enthusiasm. Forgetting about oneself. Could not control. Correct? So, excitedly, what did she say? Pandit Ravishankar is playing tomorrow at the Shanmukanand auditorium. So, what was the newspaper report? The newspaper report was that Pandit Ravishankar was going to play tomorrow where? At the Shanmukanand auditorium. Name of the auditorium is Shanmukanand auditorium. Who was going to play? Pandit Ravishankar is going to play. Is going to give his concert at the Shanmukanand auditorium. This is the newspaper report. She read out how loudly when one morning ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಓದ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರನ್ನು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹೆಡ್ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಓದ್ತಾಳೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂತಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. said her mother, pointing to the figure. She pointed ಬೆರಳಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸೋದು ನೋಡಲಿ ಹೀಗೆ. Pointing to the figure sleeping on the bed. So, pointing at the figure who was lying on the bed, mother signaled her. Why? To keep quiet. ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡ. You will wake him up. Mother said, you will wake him up. Wake, woken. Wake, present. Woke, past. Woken, past participle. You will wake him up. ನೀನು ಅವನು ಎಬ್ಬಿಸ್ತಿ, ನೀನು ಎಚ್ಚರಗೊಳಿಸ್ತಿ, ನೀನು. Wake him up. You know, ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿನಗೆ? What? You know, he needs all the sleep and rest he can get. So, he needs complete rest. He needs complete sleep. So, he should enjoy that. So, he is in need of complete rest and sleep. So, don't make him get up. How? By reading the newspaper report loudly. But the boy was lying on the bed. He needs rest. Second paragraph say, but the boy on the bed was not asleep. Asleep opposite? Awake. Asleep, awake. He was not asleep, he was awake. Pandit Ravishankar, he said, Pandit Ravishankar, the sitar maestro, he raised himself up on his elbows for 1 second, then fell back, but his eyes were shining. We mustn't miss the chance. He said, I have always wanted to hear him and see him. See the interest of that boy when he heard the name of Pandit Ravishankar. But the boy on the bed was not asleep. He was awake. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವನು ಎಚ್ಚರಾಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಕೇಳಿದ, ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನು. ಪಂಡಿತ್ ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಶಿ ಸೇ? ಪಂಡಿತ್ ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ನ ಹಿ ಸೆಡ್, ಪಂಡಿತ್ ರವಿಶಂಕರ್, ಹೌದಾ? ಅವಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಪಂಡಿತ್ ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ ಬರ್ತಾರಂತೆ ನಾಳೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. The sitar maestro. Maestro means master of an art. Maestro means master of an art. An artist of great skill. Maestro. Kala kushala. Correct? Then the sitar maestro, sitar mantrika. Mantrika, correct word. Hauna. He raised himself up on his elbows. He raised. Rise, R-I-S-E, rose, R-O-S-E, risen, adu vere, sunrise, correct? Raise means lift. He raised, that boy raised, yadda, elevated, got up, himself. Till then he was in need of help to get up. But here something, some force, some inspiration made him get up. So raised himself, avane ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಸಹಾಯ ಬೇಡ. ಅಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಆನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಬೋಸ್. ಎಲ್ಬೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಈ ಭಾಗ. ಎಲ್ಬೋಸ್ ನಾವು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ? ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೈಯನ್ನು ಊರ್ತೇವೆ, ನಂತರ ಹೀಗೆ ಕೈ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಕೈ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಎಲ್ಬೋಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಹಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಒಂದೇ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅವನು ಎದ್ದು ಹೀಗೆ ನಿಲ್ತಾನೆ ಎಲ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್? ದೆನ್ ಫೆಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಪುನಃ ಬಿದ್ದ ಬೆಡ್ಗೆ. ಫಾಲ್, ಫೆಲ್, ಫಾಲನ್, ಫೆಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಗೈನ್. ಹಿ ಸ್ಲೆಪ್ಟ್. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ he was unable to retain the strength. He was unable to sit still. He was suffering from something, correct, that made him unable to get up. That interest made him get up, correct here. So but his eyes were shining, though he couldn't get up. Though he was lying in his bed, his eyes were shining. That means face is the index of mind. Eyes tell the truth. What did he say? Lying on the bed, we mustn't miss the chance. He said, we should not miss the chance. We must not. We means whom? Including that boy. What's the name of the boy? You'll know, come to know afterwards, isn't it? So we means the person who read out the newspaper report was his sister. We must not, we should not miss the chance. What is the chance here? Seeing Pandit Ravi Shankar. What did he say? He said, I have always wanted to hear him and see him. That means his interest. Once in lifetime he decided to see him and hear him, hear Pandit Ravi Shankar's music, see Pandit Ravi Shankar. I have always, never opposite, wanted to hear him and see him. So he decided to see him. Why? Because it is a chance of lifetime. He should not miss the chance. What is the chance here? Chance refers to his interest to see him, see Pandit Ravi Shankar and listen to Pandit Ravi Shankar's music. Very important for extract, remember. Why did he say so? He was the fan of Pandit Ravi Shankar. He was the follower of Pandit Ravi Shankar. That boy was the fan of Pandit Ravi Shankar. That is why he could not tolerate the words of that girl who read out Pandit Ravi Shankar is playing tomorrow at the Shanmukananda auditorium. Come to the third paragraph. Mother was there beside him. What did she say? Lie down, son. Lie down. Lie means ಮಲಗು ಅಂತ. ಲೈ ಲೇ ಲೈನ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಲೈ ಡೌನ್, ಮಲಗು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಮಲಗು ಮಗ, ಮಲಗು, ಮಲಗು ಮಗ, ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ ಮಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಲೈ ಡೌನ್ ಸನ್, ಲೈ ಡೌನ್. ಮದರ್ ಸೆಡ್. ಹಿಸ್ ಮದರ್ sprang to his side. Spring, sprang, sprung. Sprang means what? Moved quickly and suddenly towards a particular place. One word substitute. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನು? Sprang means moved. She rushed. How? Suddenly and quickly towards a particular place means here place, bedside. She was somewhere else. Seeing the son trying to get up, she rushed towards him and asked him to lie down. ಮಲಗು ಮಲಗು ಅಂತ ತಾಯಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಧಾವಿಸಿ ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ ಅವಳು. She murmured with a catch in her throat. Catch, with a catch in her throat meaning is given there with a feeling of great sorrow. ಬಹಳ ಬೇಸರ ಆಯ್ತು ಅವಳಿಗೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಮರ್ಮರ್, ಗೊಣಗ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ, ಧಾವಿಸಿ ಬಂದಳು ಮಗನಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. And her eyes turned to the idols on a corner shelf. See the appearance of her eyes. Turned to the idols. ಒಂದು ಮೂಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅದು. ಕಣ್ಣು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡಿದಾಳೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ. ಯಾಕೆ? ನೋವು, ಆಘಾತ, ಶಾಕ್ ಆದಾಗಾಯ್ತು. ಆನ್ ಎ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಶೆಲ್ಫ್, ಈಗ ಮೂಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮಿಟುಕಿಸದೆ, ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಚದೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ? The prayer which she utter means speak. Utter means tell. She uttered. ಇನ್ನೊಂದುಂಟು, ಇದು ವರ್ಬ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು uttered means complete. Utter failure means complete failure. ಅದು adjective. This is adjective. Correct? So, the prayer, so while rushing towards her son, she prayed, which she uttered endlessly. Endless adjective, endlessly. So, how did she pray? She prayed endlessly. She prayed endlessly. Her prayer was endless. There is no end till her arrival. So, how to frame a question? Endlessly. It answers the question word how. Prayed means, pray means do. Praise means does. Prayed means did. So, how did? Next subject, how did she pray? She prayed endlessly. Correct? Uttered endlessly, came unbidden. Is it given there? No. What is unbidden? Bid, bidden, bid, bade, bidden, bid, past tense bade, bidden, unbidden means uninvited, meaning is given there, usually used after the verb, without being asked, invited or expressed, unintentional. Unintentional, uninvited, automatically. Spontaneously, naturally, spontaneously, naturally, ಸ್ವಯಂ ಪ್ರೇರಿತನಾಗಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ತನ್ನಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಬಿಡುವುದು. ನಾವು ಕಾಲು ಜಾರಿ ಬೀಳುವಾಗ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಯಾರಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಬೀಳುವಾಗ ನೀನು ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ತನ್ನಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ದೆನ್ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ, ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಪಾಂಟೇನಿಯಸ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ದ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಅಟರ್ಡ್ ಎಂಡ್ಲೆಸ್ಲಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಅನ್ಬಿಡನ್ ಟು ಹರ್ ಲಿಪ್ಸ್. ಆ ತುಟಿಗೆ, ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೆ ದೇವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ದೇವರ ಮೇಲೆ ದೇವರ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂತು. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಮ್ಮ, ದೇವರೇ ಕಾಪಾಡು ಅಂತ ಆ ಶಬ್ದ ಬಂದಿರ್ಬೋದು. ವೈ? ದಟ್ ಶೋಸ್ ಲವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮದರ್ ಟವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹರ್ ಸನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. Could not bear, could not tolerate as a mother. Then the boy said, I must hear him and see him. The boy repeated. The boy said, I must hear him and see him. Correct. I must hear him and see him. How to change it in direct speech? This is in direct speech. The actual words of the boy are put within inverted comma. So it is direct speech. Now change it to indirect speech. Listen here. The boy said. We cannot use told. Correct? So said. Now the sentence within the inverted comma is a statement. So it is the conjunction to join this part and this part is that. Said that I becomes the boy. That means he. Must, remember, must becomes had to. Correct? So he had to. Then here. Him means Pandit Ravi Shankar, so it remains same. Hear him and see him. He had to hear him and see him. This is the answer. Correct? Now, I must hear him and see him. Who said this? The boy said this. Where was the boy? He was on his bed lying. Who is the I? The boy. Then, who is the him? Pandit Ravi Shankar. Why did he say so? Because he was a fan of Pandit Ravi Shankar. The boy repeated. It is the chance of lifetime. Remember, for extract, it is the chance of lifetime. So what is the chance of lifetime? Hearing and seeing Pandit Ravi Shankar was the chance of lifetime. Correct? Then, who said this? The boy said this. Then he began to cough. After saying all the, after expressing his desire to see him and hear him, what did he? He was suffering from something. I told. So, then he began to cough. ಕೆಮ್ಮಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. And gasp for breath. ಉಸಿರೆಳೆತಾನೆ. Gasp means ಉಸಿರೆಳೆಯುವುದು. Catch breath with the mouth open. ಉಸಿರಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. He is unable to breathe. Catch breath with the open mouth. ಉಸಿರೆಳೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ. Cough and gasp for breath and had to be given oxygen. So when he faces the problem of breathing problem, he is given oxygen. Where is that? From the cylinder that stood under the bed. So it was kept ready. Whenever he was in need of oxygen, they provide him oxygen which was kept in a cylinder that stood under the bed. But his large eyes, he could not speak. But his eyes were fixed on his sister. Why? Because she read out the newspaper report. ಅವಳು ಓದಿದ್ದು, ಪಂಡಿತ್ ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅವಳು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅವಳು ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳೆ. ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ. ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವಳ ಮೇಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅವಳು ಓದಿದ್ದು, ಖಂಡಿತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳೆ. ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಗೋ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. ನನಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗಲೇಬೇಕು. ಹೋಗಲೇಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸಿ ದ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್, ವೆದರ್ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಡಿಸೈರ್. ಆಗ್ತದಾ? ಇವನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಉಂಟು, ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಉಂಟು. ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು, ಹೋಗಲು ಬೇಕು, ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌ ಟು ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ದ ಡಿಸೈರ್? ಆಗ್ತದಾ? ತಾಯಿ, ತಂದೆ, ಸಹೋದರಿ, 3 ಜನ ಈಗ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್. ನೌ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು 2 ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ for changing into indirect speech. Do it. Okay, the boy said, come on, it is the chance of lifetime. 1. Number 2, the mother said, he actually raised himself up without help. These are the 2 homeworks. Okay, we shall continue in the next period. Sai Ram.